Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this IXL deals with, what is this? How many solutions does an equation have? So before we start, we know that we have the idea of one, none, or infinite. And one equation is always going to be something like x equals 3 or x equals something. A none is when I get down to like 4 equals 4. No, excuse me, 4 equals 5, or it doesn't make sense. And here's like 8 equals 8. On these two, the x's cancel. And here the x's don't cancel. So let's take a look at some of these. So right here, right away, I can see that these x's are going to cancel. See how those guys cancel out right? Where is it? Right there. Oh boy, I've got a big line there. They cancel out, so I'm left with 0 equals 3. I gotta change this line width. And let's change the color to red. So this has no solution. And I'm looking at my notes. How do I get out of this? So there is no solution to this guy. Okay, there we go. So right here, are my r's going to cancel out? My r's are not going to cancel out, so there is one solution. Let's go here. I have a negative 10p and a negative 9p. Are those p's going to cancel out? No, they're not going to cancel, which means there is one solution. Okay, I have a negative v and a positive v. Are they going to cancel each other out? No. A negative v would cancel with a negative v, or a positive with a positive, but those are not going to cancel, which means there's one solution. All right, right here I have negative 6u's, and what do these two guys become? Negative 8u plus 2u. That's a negative 6u right there. This becomes right here. That becomes negative 6u. And now we can see that the negative 6u cancels with negative 6u, and I'm left with 0 equals 0. So what does that tell me? That tells me that there are infinite solutions. 0 equals 0 tells me there are infinite solutions. Okay, are these h's going to cancel out? They are. The h's are going to cancel, and I'm left with 0 equals 1. What does that tell me? That tells me that there are 0 equals 1. I'm getting distracted by the computer. 0 equals 1. That means there's no solution. And I'm still drawing. Okay, are these p's going to cancel out? Yes, negative p cancels with negative p. I'm left with 6 equals 6. What does that mean? That means there are infinite solutions. Did I just turn the drawing feature off? I think I did. Oh, hey, I know what I'm doing now. Okay. Infinite solutions. Oh, I've made like 9 videos today. Let's go with it. Okay, are these g's going to cancel out? Is a negative 3g... Come on. Is that going to cancel with the negative 2g? No. So the g's are not going to cancel. So what does that mean? That means there's one solution because the x's are not canceling out. 8n, 8n. Will they cancel out? Absolutely. The 8n is going to cancel with the 8n. I'm left with negative 2 equals negative 2. That feels like, right here, see this guy over here? It feels like an infinite solution to me. S cancels with S. Negative 1 equals negative 6. That's a no solution. Negative 3q, negative 3q. Those guys are going to cancel, right? Gone, gone. And I'm left with 5 equals 2. What does that tell me? That tells me there is no solution. 16, are the J is going to cancel out. 16J, do they cancel out with a 13J? No. So I still have an X floating around, which means there's one solution. 9K, what do these become? If I combine, am I just writing like I can't write on this thing today. I would try it again. Here we go. Right there. See those guys right there? What are they going to become? That's going to become a 9K. That 9K is going to cancel out with this 9K, and I'm left with 2 equals 16, which tells me what? It tells me there is no solution, and I'm still writing. Um, 17D, that's the exact same equation. That's infinite solutions. 9G, they're going to cancel out. -2, -2. This is infinite. If you simplify this thing down, you get 9G minus 2 equals 9G minus 2. Infinite solutions. All right, I think you get the idea of this. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.